This old man was taking part in a challenge to win a free haircut. All he had to do was stop the timer exactly at 10 seconds. He stood there locked in, eyes glued to the screen, counting every millisecond in his head. The pressure kept building as the clock got closer and closer. But just when he thought he had it perfectly timed, something completely unexpected happened. But first, how long do you want your dad to live? 24 hours. Ignore. 100 years. Like 500 years. Comment. 1,000 years. Subscribe and forever. Do all.